Good morning, everyone. I am set up for the Dogwood Festival. This is my April show, and I'm really excited. I think this is going to be a good one. Here's my tent. I just wanted to share with you guys. And my table set up. Here's all the things that I made. I'm actually selling some of my seasonal things this year. I haven't done that before. There's some card and envelope sets, my shaker pens, and I decided to sell the refills. Got my mini notepads, the refills for that, snap bracelets, fuzzy guy pencils. Here are all of my rock tack-toe designs. We've got some mini journals. And my table set up. Mini notebooks. Recipe keepers. I did bring my Christmas planner. You never know, somebody might be ready for that. There's my journals. And I made these multi-card sets. It has 5 cards and 5 envelopes, and they have stamps inside. I've got graduation money holder cards, got some wedding ones, birthday, and lots of gift card holders. Alright guys, I just wanted to share this with you, and I will see you in the next video.